To remove and install the battery on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. First, route the driver's seat harness out of the way to aid in seat removal. Next, pull up on the front seat lever and pivot forward to remove the seat from the vehicle. Next, position the lower seat belt out of the way to aid in battery removal. Continue by removing the black negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing, and set the cable aside. Reinstalling the fasteners into the battery posts will help prevent misplacement. Then, pull the red boot back from the positive cable. Remove the positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Use care to ensure tools do not come into contact with both battery posts. Next, remove the two battery bracket fasteners and lift the bracket out of the vehicle. Pull the battery towards the driver's side of the vehicle and tilt up to remove. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the battery box. Install the battery on its side with the terminals facing up and slide into place. Next, install the battery bracket over the battery and align with the mounting holes. Then, reinstall the battery bracket. Install the two bracket fasteners and torque to specification. Next, install the positive cable first to prevent arcing, and torque to specification. Then, reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Continue by installing the negative cable and torque to specification. Next, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Then, reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Before proceeding, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Then, reinstall the seat by aligning the front alignment tabs and pushing down in the rear to engage the rear latch. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.